10 Best Alternatives to Adobe Photoshop.
Adobe Photoshop stands as the industry standard for photo editing and digital design. However, its subscription-based model and steep learning curve may not suit everyone's needs or budget. Here are top alternatives that offer similar functionality at different price points. GIMP is a powerful, open-source alternative to Photoshop that offers professional quality image editing tools. It supports layers, masks, and multiple file formats, making it suitable for both basic edits and complex compositions. Key benefits: completely free and open source. Cross-platform Windows, Mac, Linux. Extensive plugin ecosystem. Similar interface and functionality to Photoshop. Affinity Photo is a professional-grade editor that rivals Photoshop in features, but comes with a one-time purchase model rather than a subscription. It offers raw processing, HDR merging, panorama stitching, and non-destructive editing. Professional-grade tools and performance. Regular updates included. Available for Windows, Mac, and iPad. Photopea is a free, web-based photo editor that closely mimics Photoshop's interface. It supports PSD files and offers many of the same tools, making it perfect for Photoshop users who need a free alternative. Key benefits: browser-based, no installation required. Free with optional premium upgrades. Supports PSD, AI, Sketch, XD, and other file formats. Familiar interface for Photoshop users. Pixlr offers both web-based and desktop versions of its photo editor. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners while still offering powerful features for more experienced users. Key benefits: free basic version with premium options. Mobile apps available. AI-powered tools for quick edits. No installation needed for web version. Krita is a free, open-source painting program that excels at digital painting and illustration. While focused on drawing rather than photo editing, it offers many Photoshop-like features for artists. Key benefits: free and open source. Excellent brush engine. Animation capabilities. Active development community. Luminar AI focuses on AI-powered photo editing for faster workflows. It's designed to simplify complex edits through artificial intelligence, making professional-looking results accessible to beginners. Key benefits: one-time purchase, $79. AI-driven editing tools. User-friendly interface. Can work as plugin for Photoshop/Lightroom. Capture One is a professional-grade photo editing software that excels at raw processing and color grading. Used by many professional photographers, it offers superior color tools compared to Photoshop. Key benefits: superior raw processing, excellent color editing tools, tethered shooting capabilities, customizable interface, it bridges the gap between basic paint programs and professional editors like Photoshop. Key benefits: free for Windows, small system footprint, quick to learn, plugin support. Corel Paint Shop Pro is a budget-friendly alternative that offers many of Photoshop's features at a lower one-time cost. It provides both photo editing and digital art tools in one package. User-friendly interface, AI-powered features, includes both photo editing and graphic design tools. Procreate is a powerful digital illustration app designed specifically for iPad. While not a direct Photoshop replacement for photo editing, it excels at digital painting and drawing with an intuitive interface.
Should old acquaintance
Designed specifically for iPad.
and never brought to mind.
Extensive brush library.
Should old acquaintance
Intuitive gesture controls.
and all left
Thanks for watching.